A Serbian official has praised the collaboration between Serbia and China, saying that the new free trade agreements between the two countries will foster closer people-to-people exchanges. The agreement, scheduled to take effect on July the 1st, was signed last year at the Third Belt and Road Forum for International Cooperation. It is focused on eliminating tariffs on 90% of goods.
The opening of Chinese market with the free trade agreement, exchange, academic exchange, student exchanges, those are very, very, very important because China is at the forefront now in many high technologies. Its educational system, especially higher education, is becoming better by the day, and it's very important for our young people to be able to have an opportunity to study in China, not just in the West. So we know what the Chinese vision of a shared future for the entire planet is, and it's a very positive vision. It's a vision of mutual peaceful cooperation, should be welcomed by all countries.
Pavic also expressed optimism about the bilateral relations.
As far as China and Serbia are concerned, I think both sides are really eager to improve relations even more. I think a Serbian-Chinese relationship can only develop in a positive way. If you ask both the Serbian people and Serbian government, we're all for expanding relations with China to further develop it in the way it has already developed. I expect this relationship to blossom, to be an example in international relations of good, excellent, clean relationship between two countries. And I think it will be a very good example for others, especially in Europe, because Europe needs to open.